Say good morning from Blizzard Beach. We're here this morning enjoying the Cool Kids Summer Perk.
We just saw Goofy.
We did just see Goofy. He's out here walking around, but we're here using the Cool Kids Summer Perk of the free water park entry for your check-in day. So you could either go to Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon, and we picked Blizzard Beach. So we're going to enjoy the day. We brought the action camera that's waterproof. We're going to take it down some slides maybe and have some fun in the water. What do you think?
Ready?
Whoa.
Can you try that one more time?
Yeah, I do. Coming in hot. Go for it. Let's go. Come on. Whee! Whoa, baby. Man. Abby, go find Sophie. Where are you going, Soph? All right, we're moving on from Tykes Peak, and where are we heading, Sophie?
Lazy River.
Where?
Lazy River.
The Lazy River, or the pool, as Abby is calling it. Whoa! We lost Mommy. Where'd she go?
I don't know.
All right, let's wait for her.
There she is.
Here she comes. Hey, honk.
Hey, Baba. It's stopping me. I need it.
Go, go, go.
No, I don't. It's a race.
It's a race.
Yeah. I win.
You won. What are you talking about?
Are you swimming? Can you touch?
I can touch. Mommy, look, I'm touching.
Are you touching?
I'm walking right now, Mom. Mommy, see, I'm staying. I can touch too.
Oh no.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's a giant waterfall.
It's fine.
Oh no. We made it. It's kind of dark in here. I don't know. A snake. What are you doing, Abigail?
And I can touch and walk, and I walk Stop.
Where are you relaxing? You're not relaxing, you're swimming.
I'm relaxing.
Oh, so relaxing.
If you want to get out, you get out.
No, I'm not getting out right now.
I said if you want to.
Oh, if you want to, you can get out. Hey, relaxing. Splish Splash, she was taking a bath. Hey, punk. Helicopter. Oh no, I'm spinning around. Hey, something's behind me.
You okay?
Something's monster, sea monster. Sea monster.
I'm a sea monster.
Yeah, I know you're a sea monster. Gone skiing. Sophie, I keep telling you we should have brought our snowboards. Because they went skiing. Why didn't we bring our snowboards?
That's pretend snow.
Oh, it's pretend snow. Well, where's the real snow?
And tell the truth, please.
Where's the real snow?
In the winter.
In the winter? Oh, that makes sense. She sneezed.
Sophie, which side are you going on?
They're hanging up their stockings and their gloves. I don't know. I don't know, Abby. Oh, that's cold. Oh.
What are you doing, a hanky?
Back up a little bit, sis. No, not my ears. You're tickling me.
Vloggy.
Are you coming, Abby?
Hello. Yeah. 11, 13, 18, 19.
That's a new way to count. What'd you say? You want to jump?
Relaxing.
Put on the brakes for a second. We're going to wait for Brother and
I laid back earlier.
Wait till Brother and Robert. What are you doing? What are you doing, Abigail? Are you singing a song?
I'm relaxing.
You're relaxing. You look very comfortable.
This is a pool.
It's a pool. And you're just chilling.
Daddy.
Hey, you got yourself a tube now? You kicked mommy out?
No. I don't hold your hand.
You want to hold my hand? There we go. And we're just floating along. Whoa. Oh, so relaxed. Did you see that, guys? They saw it. It got you, Abby.
I got you.
Say, you rascal.
Watch this. Go, Logan. Logan, go.
Whoa. We're heading up the chairlift. Up, up, and away. Here we go. I want to go on that one.
That big one on the street.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Watch, here they come. They're gonna, watch this little girl move. She's going to roll. And here they go. Woohoo! I'm game. Ready, watch.
I have a lot of rubber bands.
It's hair ties, but somebody lost a ski pole.
I don't know.
I told you we should have brought our snowboards. Somebody was brought their skis.
I know, but it's not winter.
Oh, man.
And then, why is there a line here?
Getting ready to board Teamboat Springs, the family raft ride. Got a little bit of a line ahead of us still. Got me wet. Whoa, hey, hey, slow down. Hey, now you're going forward again. Here we go. Hey, Come back down the slide. Are we winning? I'm winning. Yeah, I am. Woohoo!
I am.
It's kind of like snowboarding, but on a tube.
And on water.
And on water, that's true. Whoa!
Whoa!
Am I gonna get wet? What?
Whee!
Everybody put your hands up, play my song. Whoa!
Whoa!
Here we go! Here we go! I'm gonna get wet. Oh, I was on my back. That was fun. Was that fun? Now that we've done Tykes Peak, we've done the Lazy River, we've done Steamboat Springs, we're gonna head back over to Wada Wada Lodge to get some lunch.
Daddy, after this, I want to go back to the Lazy River.
Back to the Lazy River. That sounds like we might be doing after lunch. But we're heading over to Wada Wada Lodge to pick up our mobile order, and we'll go through what we got. All right, lunch has arrived. Sophie's got French fries.
Just French fries.
Just French fries. Abby, what do you have?
Chicken nuggets and French
Chicken nuggets and French fries.
fries. Tenders and French fries.
Flatbread pizza, and then I got the chicken and rice bowl with stir-fried veggies.
I'm gonna sit over here too.
Looks pretty good. What do you think, girls? Yeah. So we stayed over at Blizzard Beach till about lunchtime or so. We came back here, took a rest, went and got some dinner over at
And we
the...
got our bean suits on now.
Where?
Right here.
Got our bathing suits on? Why do we have our bathing suits on?
We're going to a big pool.
We're going to go check out the resort pool here and just hang out there for the evening. And then we have park days tomorrow, right? So we made it to Old Man Island. It was like a 5-minute walk or so. They were checking wristbands here, so keep that in mind. You do have to be a resort guest of this resort to be able to use the pools. And also you could use one for French Quarter too. You can pool hop between these two resorts. Making our way up to the Wheelhouse Mudslide. None of everybody else wanted to come with me, so we're gonna go a couple times. We're gonna do a facing me point of view and a facing down point of view. So this first one will probably be the facing down point of view. Here we go. Oh, this is nice. Here goes Abigail. Blast off. Go, go, go. Oh, here we go. Slow part. Suction cup. There we go. Now we got some speed. There's Soph. Over here, Soph. Abigail's coming down next. She'll be coming round the mountain.
That was fun. I want to go again.
You want to go again?
I want to go again too.
So that is going to be it for our Blizzard Beach and pool day here. Thank y'all for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. And we're finishing off the night with some
Yay.
BAs. Good night.